Welcome to another challenge that we're going to cover in this video. Now remember, currently we are working on the interview questions and interview algorithm questions that are asked for for a programmer. So we're going to have a look at our next question of our series, and this particular one we're going to do decode string decode string question. Now let me get the question and what the question is asking of us. So the question is given an encoded string, return its decoded string. The encoding rule is k is encoded where the encoded string is inside the square brackets is being repeated exactly k times. Note that k is guaranteed to be a positive integer. You may assume that the input string is always a valid value. There are no extra white spaces, square brackets are well formed, etc. Furthermore, you may assume that the original data does not contain any digital digits and that the digits are only for those repeat numbers. For example, there'll be input like 3a or 2 in an index of 4. The test cases are generated so that the length of the output will never exceed 10 into power of 5. Yeah. Example, input of 3 into index of A and 2 in index of BC. The output will be, we're going to have 3 A's, that is index of 3. So the index of 3, we're going to have the 3 value of A, and the index of 2, we're going to have value of BC. So we're going to have a single string that is going to have A, B, C, BC. Okay. So just an example of the compilation and what the question requires of us. So the first thing that we need to decode the string, and for us to do that, we're going to call this function the var, the function that is going to decode the string for us. So and the function is going to be with parameter of s for string. Okay. So this question is asking about stacks. So the first on the stacks, you can see the properties of a stack from our previous videos is the stack follows the principles of first in, first out. Last in, first out. So in an array of stack, when you have the last element, the last element to put in the stack, you're going to pop it as the first element. So in this particular question, we're going to have our to declare our stack, and our stack is going to be an array. Okay. So current number is going to be 0, and current string is going to be a string value. Okay. And for us to come into for us to go through the string, we're going to iterate through the string, and for us to iterate through the string, we're going to use the for loop method. So for let character or char let char of s, then if if it's a no number, is not a number of the character okay, then the current number is going to be current number you multiply by 10, you add pass int. So because you're converting this, you want to convert it into integer, so you're going to pass it into int. That is going to be char over of the range of 10. Okay, so else if that's not the value, else if char if this char is equals to where we're going to be calling it from as from. So this is where our star bracket is going to be starting. Then we're going to have we will have what sorry, I think we have these brackets are not supposed to be the parentheses are not supposed to be there, so we're supposed to have these parentheses. So then we're going to call it inside, and we're going to have stack dot push, to increase the position of where the stack is. Push current number, and it's going to contain the current number and the current string. Okay, it's going to contain both current number and the current string. So current number is 0, whereas the current string is going to be a string. Current string, yeah. So what we need here is another else if statement. Else if character char is equals to, now this closing square brackets, then these ones they're supposed to be encapsulated through parentheses, and we're going to have this let num and previous string yeah is equals to stack dot pop right, and current string is equals to prev string plus current string, then you're repeating the same process. So you're going to call the repeat method. So repeat num sorry, I think num else current string plus or equals to the character. Okay, and these values are going to have a return value of return current string. So let us try and console log. Let us try and work out one example and see what you're going to have as our outcome from these indexes. Okay, so console.log decode string. Okay, so let us see what you're going to have here. Then we're going to compile it in a node. What are we going to? We're expecting to have this output. Apparently, we have an error. Currently, we have so many errors. Oh, sorry. These are typo error. It's not supposed to be there. But now, decoding string. So decoded string. Decoded string. Decoded string. It's supposed to be decoded string. Let us see if we compile. What are we going to have? We're supposed to have boom. This is the output that we're supposed to have. That was very nice. It was a quick one. Now you can see how we've gone about decoding a string. And I'll see you in the next one, where we will be covering where we will cover our 18th question of our 1000 coding challenges. I'll see you then.